Have you ever wondered what a heritage home in Calgary looks like? We're in one of the best neighborhoods in the entire city today, Elow Park, and if you are interested in this home, it is for sale. This home was built in 1912, and to put that into perspective, that's the year the Titanic sank. That's 4 years before World War I and 27 years before World War II. So it's safe to say this home has been here a while. I just want to give a special thank you to the listing agent, Mark Coffey with CIR Realty, for allowing us to do this property tour of his listing today. And with no further ado, let's get started. This is actually the very first time this home has ever been on the market. It's been in this family for generations, so this is the first time the public gets to see it. Now, what I love about this home is it's in very original condition, but it's been very well maintained. So if you are someone looking for the newest finishes and chasing the latest trends, this home is not for you. This home is for people that are looking for a character home that is unique and like a piece of art. Looking at this formal dining room, it is absolutely phenomenal. It would be a great space to entertain, have guests over, maybe a Christmas dinner while listening to music. And I love the wood beams and natural woodwork throughout this house. It is beautiful. Speaking about entertaining family and friends, we're gonna walk through the Butler's Pantry into the kitchen, where you've got the butcher's block counters. I mean, I absolutely love the aesthetic of this. It's super visually appealing to me. You've also got this really cool tile flooring, which kind of makes me feel like I'm walking on a chessboard. But you've also got these super old dish racks. I mean, when have you ever seen a dish rack like this? Walking out, I mean, what is this? A pencil sharpener and a can opener? I mean, not super useful anymore, but you are buying a historical home. So it's kind of cool to still have like that stuff in it. It was popular at that time. The last thing I want to show you guys on the main floor is the den and the living area. The den has a big old wood burning fireplace, which sets up a perfect atmosphere to burn some wood, listen to some slow music, and use this room as your study space, library, hobby room, you name it. Lastly, taking you through the dining room, look at these beautiful French pocket doors. We're going to the living room. Now, what I love about this home is it's separated. Each room has its own unique use and purpose, and this is actually a decent amount of living space. Like, you can definitely host a board game night, you could dance to records if you choose to set up a record player, or just chill and watch TV. This house is over 1,500 square feet, and you guys have not even seen the upstairs yet. So I'm gonna let you guys take a look right now. This house is 3 bedrooms, has 1 bathroom, and I feel like we have to start with the primary bedroom. And when you walk in, this room's enormous, it's huge. And it's also connected right to your laundry room, which is conveniently located in your big walk-in closet. You've got a built-in closet as well as these things on the bottom, which I'm pretty sure is for shoes, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you know, please drop a comment down below because I am curious. But let's go take a look at the bathroom. And this room really gets a ton of sunlight. It's pretty nice, but walking into the bathroom, you've got this big soaker tub with the old school shower curtain style. It's actually really nice because you've got tile from the floor to the ceiling and tile throughout, and nice sunlight coming in as well. But go check out the rest of the house. Lastly, I want to show you guys the sleep-in porch, which if you're like me, you have no idea what that is. So I did the research, and basically before electric fans and air conditioning were affordable, families would install these well-aired rooms where the children would sleep during the summer when it gets hot. So it could be a unique date idea during the summer, I don't know. This house is literally 1 block away from the Elbow River, Elbow Island, Earl Grey Park, the Glencoe Club. It's the prime location. It's also 3 minutes away from downtown, which has the best restaurants and amenities. And on top of that, since this is a historical site, literally that's the zoning for this house, it is eligible for grants up to 50% of the restoration costs, up to $125,000. So would you live here?
It seems to me I've heard that song before. It's from an old familiar score.